So இவ்வளவு நேரம் example sum போட்டாச்சு. Now let's solve some exercise questions. Okay? Compute the magnitude of the following vectors. Magnitude நால என்ன அர்த்தம்? இப்போ magnitude of A is going to be square root of x square plus y square plus z square. இந்த இடத்துல x value என்ன? 1, y value is 1 and z value is also 1. So I have magnitude of A is going to be square root of 1 square, 1 square, 1 square. So this is going to be square root of 3. So this is going to be the magnitude. Okay? இப்போ அதே மாதிரி magnitude of B என்ன? It is going to be square root of 2 square plus minus 7 the whole square. Minus விட்டுறாதீங்க, square தானே பண்றோம், எதுக்கு மைனஸ்னு விட்டுறாதீங்க, வேற எங்கேயாவது யூஸ் ஆகும். அதனால always don't omit the minus sign. So minus 3 the whole square. So square root of 4 plus 49 plus 9. So 49 plus 9, 58. 58 plus 4 is going to be square root of 62. Now magnitude of C is going to be 1 divided by root 3. Irkliya? So square root of 1 by root 3 the whole square plus 1 by root 3 the whole square plus minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Okay, this is all inside the square root. So I have square root of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Inside the square root, I have square root of 3 divided by 3, which is going to be 1. Okay, please copy. Question number 2. Write two different vectors having the same magnitude. இப்போ ரெண்டு வெக்டருக்கும் ஒரே magnitude இருக்கணும்னா, let me take my I to be, A to be I cap plus J cap plus K cap. இப்போ magnitude of A vector என்ன? Square root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is going to be root 3. இப்போ நான் B னு ஒரு vector எடுக்கிறேன். Let me write it as minus I minus J minus K. இப்போ magnitude of B vector என்ன? It is going to be square root of minus 1 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 the whole square. So this is going to be root 3 again. So இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம square பண்றதுனால the magnitude you can take different values for x, y and z. இந்த மாதிரி இன்னும் multiple options இருக்கு. You can also write it as minus I cap plus j plus k. இது ரெண்டுமே பாசிட்டிவா வச்சுட்டு I க்கு மட்டும் மைனஸ் எடுத்துக்கலாம். You also can take minus I cap minus j cap plus k cap. இல்ல I cap plus j cap minus k cap. இந்த மாதிரி different possibilities இருக்கு. இதுல ஏதாவது ஒன்னு எழுதுனா போதும். Okay? Please copy. Now, question number 3. Write two different vectors having same direction. இப்போ same direction நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? இப்படி ஒரு vector இருக்கலாம். இதே directionல கொஞ்சம் லாங்கா ஒரு vector இருக்கலாம். So I am going to take vector A to be again I cap, J cap, K cap. இப்போ B vector I can take it as 2I cap plus 2J cap plus 2K cap. When I take 2 outside, it is going to be 2 times I cap, J cap, K cap, which is going to be 2 times A vector. இப்போ A vector எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, B vector is going to be double the A vector. So it is in the same direction. Magnitude தான் வேறையா இருக்கே தவிர direction அதே தான் இருக்கு. So you can also take such examples. So basically you can take B equals lambda times A vector. இந்த lambda என்ன வேல்யூவா வேணா இருக்கலாம். Okay? Please copy. Question number 4. Find the values of x and y so that the vectors are equal. So equal na என்ன அர்த்தம்? இப்போ A vector னு வெச்சுப்போம். A equals 2I cap plus 3J cap and B vector is going to be x I cap plus y j cap. இப்போ two vectors are equal. இப்போ A equals B na, I have A1 equals B1 and A2 equals B2, where my A1 is going to be 2 and A2 is going to be 3. இது வந்து A2 and this is going to be my B1. So B1 and B2. This is my A1, A2. So இப்போ B1 என்ன? Equals x, B2 equals y. So from this I have x equals 2 and y equals 3. இது ரெண்டுமே equal இல்லையா? So I found the values of x and y. Equal vectors na என்ன அர்த்தம்? The respective components are equal. I capல இருக்கிற components equate பண்ணலாம். J capல இருக்கிற components equate பண்ணலாம். Okay? Question number 5. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2, 1, minus 5, 7. இப்போ ஒரு point P இருக்கு. This is going to be 2, 1 and I have a point Q which is going to be minus 5, 7. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு point இருக்கு. They are asking me to find PQ which is going to be Q minus P. Correct? It is always going to be this case. So இப்போ Q என்ன? I'm going to first write what my P and Q vectors are. So my P is going to be 2I cap plus J cap and Q is going to be minus 5I cap plus 7J cap. So when I substitute the values, I have Q is going to be minus 5I cap plus 7J cap minus P என்ன? 2I cap plus J cap. When I club I cap terms, I have minus 5 minus 2 plus J வை club பண்ணா I have 7 minus 1. கரெக்டா இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு மைனஸ் இருக்கு, அதை மறந்துடாதீங்க. ஸோ அதை மைனஸ் பண்ணா I'll basically have minus 7 I cap plus 6 j cap. So this is going to be my PQ vector. இப்போ scalarனா என்ன அர்த்தம்? They are asking for the magnitude. இப்போ scalarனா எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Magnitude of PQ is going to be square root of minus 7 the whole square plus 6 square. So square root of 49 plus 36, which is going to be square root of 85. Okay, please copy. Question number 6. Find the sum of the vectors a, b and c. So மொத்தமா add பண்ண வேண்டியதான். So I have a vector plus b vector plus c vector equals, let me write the values. I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, இது a. Plus b என்ன? Minus 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Plus c என்ன? I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. இப்போ I எல்லாம் club பண்ண போறேன். So I எல்லாம் club பண்ணா I have 1 minus 2 plus 1. Plus j வ club பண்ணா minus 2 plus 4 minus 6. Plus k club பண்ணா I have 1 plus 5 minus 7. So in total, இந்த இடத்துல 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0. So இது 0. இங்கேயும் I have minus 2 plus 4 minus 6. So when I add all these, I'll get minus 8 plus 4 is going to be minus 4 j cap. இந்த இடத்துல I have 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. So minus k cap. So this is going to be the sum of all the vectors. Okay, please copy. Question number 7. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector a. So if a unit vector in the direction of a na anartha, we have to find a cap, which is going to be a vector divided by the magnitude of a vector. If a magnitude of a vector enna, first a is given to be I cap plus j cap plus 2 k cap. Okay. Now when I find the magnitude, I have square root of 1 square plus 2 square. Basically, இங்க இருக்கிற components ஒன்னொன்னுத்தையும் நான் square பண்ணி add பண்ணி square root எடுக்கிறேன். Okay. Now inside the square root, I have square root of 1 plus 4, which is root 6. So a cap is going to be I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap divided by root 6. When I write it in individual component terms, I cap divided by root 6 plus j cap divided by root 6 plus 2 by root 6 k cap. Okay. So this is the unit vector in the direction of a vector. Please copy. Question number 8. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ, where PQ are given. PQ points தனியா கொடுத்திருக்கு. So first I need to find what PQ is. Then I need to find the unit vector PQ cap. Okay. So first PQ எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன்? Let me write P. I have P to be I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. இந்த point தான் வந்து P இல்லையா? இந்த point P, I'm writing it in IJK components formல எழுதுறேன். And Q is going to be 4i cap plus 5j cap 6k cap. So PQ vector is going to be Q vector minus P vector. So this is going to be Q enna 4i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap minus sign la paathu careful podunga. 2j cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. This when I subtract I terms eல்லாம் club panna, I have 4 minus 1 plus j va club panna 5 minus 2 plus k club panna 6 minus 3. This is going to be 3i cap plus 3j cap plus 3k cap. So இதிலேந்து 3 common எடுத்தா I have 3 times I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So this is going to be PQ. இப்போ PQ cap என்ன? It is going to be PQ vector divided by modulus of PQ vector. இப்போ PQ vector என்ன? I already have a 3. I'm going to square the remaining terms. So remaining terms என்ன? So இப்போ PQ ஓட absolute value என்ன? Modulus is going to be square root of, I'll take this particular term 3 3 3. எப்பவுமே காமனா எடுத்தது பண்ணாதீங்க, mistake ஆகும். So it is going to be 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square, which is going to be square root of 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is going to be square root of 27. இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்ம்லயே பண்ணனும்னா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? அதுவும் பண்ணலாம், பட் மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணுவீங்க, அதனால தான் வேண்டாம்னு சொன்னேன். So 3 square இந்த டேர்மை தனியா ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணிட்டு bracketல I'll take 1 square and 1 square from each term. So this becomes 1 square 1 square 1 square. This is nothing but square root of 9 times 3, which is again going to be square root of 27. எந்த மெத்தட்ல பண்ணாலும் அதே தான் வரும், பட் கன்ஃபியூஷன் வருதுன்னா இந்த மாதிரி காமனா எடுக்காம டைரக்டா இந்த ஸ்டெப் வச்சே கூட போடலாம். ஓகே. So this is roots 27. So this is basically 3 times I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by square root of 27. Square root of 27 and 9 3s are 27, which is 3 root 3. So I can write this as 3 root 3. I can cancel the 3 and the 3. Simplest எவ்வளோ போட முடியுமோ போடுங்க. So this is going to be I cap by root 3 plus j cap by root 3 plus k cap divided by root 3. Okay. Please copy. Question number 9. For given vectors a, b, find the unit vector in the direction of a plus b. So let me take c to be a plus b. என்ன கேக்குறாங்க? Unit vector in the direction of a plus b na c cap கேக்குறாங்க. So first I need to find a plus b. So when I add 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. இது a plus b என்ன? Minus i cap plus j cap minus k cap. When I club the i cap terms, I have minus 2 minus 1 plus j combine panna minus 1 plus 1 plus k combine panna I have 2 minus 1. So this is going to be I cap plus 0. J cap term போயிடும். K cap என்ன? Plus k cap. So this is going to be C vector. இப்போ C cap என்ன? It is going to be C vector divided by the modulus of C vector. So modulus of C vector is going to be square root of 1 square, 0 square, k square or the 1 square. This is going to be square root of 1 plus 1, which is root 2. So I have I cap plus k cap divided by root 2. So this is I cap by root 2 plus k cap divided by root 2. So this is going to be the unit vector which is going to be in the direction of a plus b. Unit vector na enna artham? The modulus is going to be 1. Correct? Ipo unit vector na the modulus of unit vector always is going to be 1. So this is going to be 1 by root 2 the whole square, 1 by root 2 the whole square or a square root, which is going to be square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is square root of 2 by 2, which is 1. This is the unit vector oda meaning. The magnitude is always going to be 1. Adanal the unit. Okay. Please copy. Question number 10. Find a vector in the direction of the vector 5i. இப்போ நான் கொடுத்திருக்கிறது a ன்னு எழுதுறேன். So a equals 5i minus j plus 2k. So this is my vector a. First of all, I need to find what my a cap is. They are asking for a vector which is in the direction of this vector and 8 times the vector. So b cap கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்றாங்க, which is going to be 8 times a cap. புரிஞ்சுதா? So find a vector. So அதுதான் b cap which is in the direction of a. So அதனால a cap and has a magnitude of 8. அதே directionங்கும்போது you find the cap. 8 unitsங்கும்போது I'm going to take 8 times. So I need to find b cap. So b cap என்னன்னு தெரியறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்? First a cap கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அப்புறமா b cap ஓட 8 multiply பண்ணணும். Okay? So I have a cap to be a vector divided by the modulus of a, which is going to be a என்னது? A vector is going to be square root of 5 square plus minus 1 the whole square plus 2 square. So this is going to be square root of 25 plus 1 plus 4. So this is going to be 26 plus 4 is root 30. So I have 5 I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by square root of 30. So this is going to be 5 by root 30 I cap minus j cap divided by root 30 plus 2 by root 30 times k cap. இப்போ a cap கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். b cap is going to be 8 times a cap. So 8 multiply பண்ணா I have 8 5s are 40 divided by root 30 I cap minus 8 by root 30 j cap plus 8 2s are 16. So 16 by root 30 times k cap. Okay, this is my answer. Please copy. Question number 11. Show that the vectors a equals a ன்னு எழுதிப்போம். So a equals 2i minus 3j plus 4k cap and the vector b is going to be minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. இப்போ ரெண்டு வெக்டரும் கோலினியரா நம்ம எப்படி செக் பண்ணுவோம்? So பேசிக்கா கோலினியர்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? a இங்க இருக்க போகுது, b இங்க இருக்க போகுது. They can be in the same direction or they can also be in the opposite direction. So இதை நம்ம எப்படி செக் பண்ண போறோம்? I'm going to write b vector to be 2 காமனா எடுக்கலாமா? இங்க என்ன தெரியுது? minus 2 காமனா எடுக்கலாம். So I can take and write this as 2i cap plus minus எடுத்திருக்கேன் இல்லையா? So minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Now whatever is inside the bracket, I see that it is very very similar to a. So this is going to be minus 2 times the a vector. So I have my b vector to be in such a direction and a vector is in the opposite direction. Minus sign இருக்குல்ல? So minus sign இருக்கிறதுனால it is going to be in the opposite direction. So this is going to be my a vector and B vector is going to be twice the A vector. So I proved that they are collinear. So B equals lambda times A vector, which means B by A equals lambda. So they are collinear. Okay. என்னோட first few videos பாருங்க, அதில் collinearனா என்ன, எப்படி prove பண்ணணும்னு explain பண்ணிருப்பேன். அதை பார்த்துட்டு இதை போடுங்க. Okay, please copy. Question number 12. Find the direction cosines of the vector I cap, 2j cap, 3k cap. இப்போ direction cosines என்ன, cos alpha is going to be x by r, cos beta equals y by r, and cos gamma equals z divided by r. இப்போ r ஓட value என்ன, square root of x square plus y square plus z square. X ஓட value 1, y ஓட value 2, z ஓட value 3. புரிஞ்சுதா? இது x, இது y, இது z. Okay? Now, when I find r, I have square root of 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square. So, this is going to be square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is going to be root 14. இப்போ cos alpha என்ன? Cos alpha is going to be 1 divided by root 14. Cos beta is going to be 2 divided by root 14. Cos gamma equals 3 divided by root 14. இப்போ final answer எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? Direction cosines are 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14 and 3 by root 14. Okay, final answer எப்படி தான் எழுதணும்? Please copy. So with this we are done with exercise 10.2. Let's move on to the next topic. Okay.